Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with Darrin Davidson. Darrin's running for mayor in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today.
Hey Brad, good to see you.
I wanted to touch base to you today, specifically on an issue that has, in some people's mind, plagued town council, which is cohesiveness, working together. Should you be elected as mayor, how will you address town or council cohesiveness?
It's about leadership. That's what it's about. It's about character, it's about having vision. So what does that mean? It's about being able to lead by example. That's the role of the mayor. You have to know what the role of the mayor is about. Understanding that you're there for the best interests of the people, that you're there to protect the interests of the corporation. Some people don't like talking in business terms, but that's what it's about. And you have to act in that manner. So how do we do that when there's, in Orangeville, there's 7 people trying to, move forward and want to do it in the way they want to do it, and sometimes with different vision and different biases. What do you do to make it cohesive and collaborative? Well, certainly, again, is about leading by example. One thing I want to say about being mayor is, you have to look at, perhaps when you're making choices, look at someone's behavior in the past. What have they done? What have they accomplished? And sometimes or often that predicts future outcomes. And certainly I know my past, I hope people look into it. It'll predict for a lot of people good things to come for Orangeville. One thing I want to say about being mayor is, let's be functional about it. I think really we've seen over the last 4 years some things, and what I will bring for sure, and this is what the councilors will understand, that I'm a straight up guy. I'm a guy that stands in front of the issues. I don't have a problem getting into talking about what we need to talk about. And certainly I don't make excuses. As mayor, I'm willing to take it all on. The debt, the infrastructure, the social services, the needs in the town. I'm willing to stand there and say, and do the heavy lifting. And when you demonstrate that to the councilors, because again, that's what the role of the mayor is, to lead, set a tone, I'm gonna predict that things will go much more smoothly than what we've seen in the last 4 years.
Perfect. Well, thanks very much for addressing this.
Yeah, you're welcome, for sure. All right.
If you'd like to see more what Darrin has to say, please do take a look at the links below, and thanks again for watching.